site, that's where the Pelton water wheel would sit. But as you see, it's under repairs. But there is another Pelton water wheel in the Arizona wing. So the functions for the Pelton water wheel is to provide electricity for the dam and the power plant, electricity for the lights, the elevators, the parking structure, the visitor center, and the bridge crane. So look here in front of you. The American flag is attached to a bridge crane, Now these are the original bridge cranes from the 1930s, well, with some modifications. However, the bridge crane travels back and forth, up and down the wing on rail tracks. The lifting capacity for each bridge crane, up to 300 tons. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty weighs 225 tons? And the bridge crane is capable of lifting the Statue of Liberty. And I am referring to the one in New York Harbor, 225.